Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick look at also another browser. Google Chrome has moved on to version 87 today. We are Tuesday, November 17th, 2020. So Google Chrome is the most popular browser around, so I know a lot of people will be maybe interested in knowing what's in here. So, of course, lots of security updates. Once again, that means to stay safe, it's a pretty good idea to upgrade Google Chrome to the latest version 87. How do you do so? Simply open your Google Chrome browser. Upper right corner, three vertical dots, help, and about Google Chrome. And this is going to actually upgrade you to 87.0.4280.66. So in here, there's I would say probably one of the biggest features is the revamped PDF viewer. Now it's updated with a new interface and, of course, table of content on the left side where you could see pages of the different PDFs that you open and, of course, have the different columns, the different articles and things and different pages. And of course, you can click on one and go directly to that. So this is the new PDF viewer. If you don't see this new PDF viewer, there's a little trick that you can actually enable it with. So on mine, it was actually off and I did not have it yet. So go into the address bar at the top and simply I'll post the link to this in the description below the video so you can actually copy paste if you want. Chrome flags hashtag PDF-viewer-update. So here you will see PDF viewer update. Mine is or was at default. I just clicked enabled. Remember, these are experimental features, meaning they're not maybe totally done yet, but seems to work well on mine. So that's how you can actually activate the new PDF viewer if you want to have it. It's a nice improvement. It is actually much better, and it is nice to see that we have some new features on this new PDF viewer, including table of content and so on, and revamped interface, kind of better interface if you want to see here. If you are actually using some meetings and with camera, you'll have camera controls for video meetings. Video conferencing is, of course, now more important than ever. So some of the video conferencing, depending on the manufacturer and the software you use, will, of course, have controls available. Cookies that are one of most popular methods for websites to actually store data so that they remember you when you come back. There's now a cookie store API to solve a problem that is a way to actually parse all of the data. Tab throttling. Now, this is something that was announced in Chrome 85. And then we looked at Chrome 86 and still seemed to not be there. Of course, when you open tabs in Google, what happens is that these tabs in the background will consume a certain amount of energy, a certain amount of space, and might slow down your PC if you have several of them open. It's supposed to be activated in Chrome 87, where all the tabs that are in the background, the ones you're not looking at, are supposed to not use more than 1% of CPU usage. This, in fact, should not only make your browser faster, your computer faster, it should save on the battery life. So that apparently might be here today in the browser. So we'll see if that is happening. So other features, of course, in Chrome OS that are available, but this is pretty much what we have. And of course, don't forget, bug fixes and security updates are also part of the browser. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and don't forget, if you want to have the latest browser, simply go to the upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, help, and about Google Chrome.